Yes, bwana mambo vipi? Mimi naitwa Junior Talent _TZ kutoka Online TVs, SNS na Vipaji TV, na hii ni American Swahili Challenge. Tuko tunawa challenge na kuwafundisha watu wa Marekani jinsi ya kuzungumza lugha ya Kiswahili. Nadhani kwa wewe ambaye umetoka Swahili Nations, ni zile nchi ambazo tunazungumza lugha ya Kiswahili kama Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Congo, Burundi. Mwana Swahili Nations, kuzungumza Kiswahili ni rahisi sana kwa upande wako, lakini je, Miami Beach, Florida itakuwa rahisi kwa upande wao? Usisahau kusubscribe SNS na Vipaji TV. Bonyeza kengele ili mtu wa kwanza kabisa kupata taarifa tunapoachia kazi mpya. Nyuma ya kamera niko na MC Rajun na nimependeza na t-shirt African Boy kutoka kwa manager wa Jux ambaye ni Richard. Hello my bro, hi.
What's going on, bro?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good.
My name is Junior Talent TZ. What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Fabian.
Katie.
Matthew.
Matthew.
Kathy.
Kathy.
Yeah.
What's your name, bro?
Charlie.
Katie. Where you from?
We're from Michigan. We're from Detroit, Michigan.
Puerto Rican.
Same. From
Same?
the Bronx,
You
but
from
no. I'm from Puerto Rico. I'm Puerto Rican. but
I'm
I
from
come
Puerto Rico.
Originally from New York,
Yeah.
but ethnically or culturally Dominican, Puerto Rican.
I'm from the Bronx, New York.
Dominican Republic, Guatemala.
Guatemala. Thank you. My name is Junior Talent TZ. I'm from Tanzania. Do you know where is Tanzania?
Nah, I don't know. I don't know where that's at.
Is it
Yeah.
not? Is that not a country in Africa though?
Yeah. Tanzania is a
Yeah,
country.
in Africa,
In
right?
East
Yeah.
Africa.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
No, it's in Africa.
Tanzania is located on East Africa.
Okay. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to East Africa.
Have you been in Africa?
Nah, I never been to Africa. I want to go one day though.
Never.
I've never been to Africa. I wish.
Have you been in Africa?
I have never been.
So guys, you must visit Tanzania. It's a beautiful country.
Yes, you're part of the Maasai tribe.
Wow, thank
Okay,
you.
guys, South Africa.
Tanzania is a country located on East Africa. Yeah, we have many tourist attractions such as the Mount Kilimanjaro, Mikumi National Park, Ngorongoro Crater, Serengeti. Also, we have amazing island Zanzibar. And Zanzibar is one of the most popular island destinations in the world. Have you ever been in Zanzibar?
No.
Yeah, Zanzibar is famous for its mixed exotic beaches, famous spice plantations, and historical towns. Town Zanzibar. Yeah.
I might be heard of it. Zanzibar, and that's how Americans say it.
Yeah.
Probably, I heard of it.
Wow, nice. So you must visit Tanzania, bro. It's a beautiful country.
I would.
Do you have any highest mountain in your country?
Not that I know of.
Tanzania, we have Mount Kilimanjaro. It's the highest mountain in Africa with the height of 5,895 meters above the sea level. And the Kilimanjaro is not only highest mountain in Africa, it's the high freestanding mountain in the world.
I've heard of them. I've heard of it.
Wow.
Gotta visit sometime.
Also, we have more than 120 tribes like Wazalamo,
Sheesh.
Wakwele,
That's a
Wazigua,
lot of tribes.
yeah, Wangoni, Waluguru, and each tribe will speak its own language and speak different. But we use Swahili
Oh wow.
as mama language to connect us country.
Do you say
Yeah.
Swahili?
Swahili.
That's what you speak?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm familiar.
Yeah.
I don't know the language. I know
So-
of the language. I don't know the language.
Like you see how you look today, this is a one of tribe is Maasai.
Maasai. Yeah.
Maasai is a one of the famous tribe which is stick his only culture.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's found in Tanzania.
That's really cool. Actually, that's so cool
You
because
look
Americans aren't like you that. look gorgeous from head to toe. You are stunning. You are giving in every single
I'm serving.
every outfit, serving looks.
So when you go Tanzania, say I used to be Maasai.
I used to be
I used to be Maasai.
Yeah.
You look gorgeous. You literally, I swear, you look so pretty, Katie. Really.
Have you ever heard Swahili?
Yeah.
Any Swahili word do you know?
No.
You guys, do you know the word Simba, Hakuna Matata?
Well, yeah, I know it from the movie.
Which one?
Hakuna Matata. I know from Lion King.
Wow,
That's about
thank
it.
you. Where did you hear it from?
Lion King.
From Lion King. And do you know what that language?
No.
And do you know what's that language?
No.
Swahili.
Yeah, it's Swahili. And do you know which country speaks this language?
I heard that name before, but I don't know where it's from.
Tanzania.
Wow, you did it. So today I want to teach you and challenge you how to speak Swahili language, and
I'm
I'll teach
scared.
you African culture.
I'm sorry if I just absolutely murder it.
Don't worry.
How you say hello?
Hello, what's up? Is like Mambo VP.
Mambo VP.
Yeah, you can say
Mambo
poa.
VP.
Yeah.
Que lo que?
Hey, what's going on? How are you?
So let me teach you how to greet each other in Swahili. Can you try to say habari gani?
Habari gang.
It means how are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
Again.
The response is nzuri sana. Nzuri sana.
Zuri sana.
It means I'm fine. I wanna say habari gani, you say nzuri sana. Habari gani?
Zuri sana.
Habari gani?
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Nzuri sana.
Habari gani?
Habari gani?
I wanna say habari gani. You
Okay.
supposed to respond nzuri sana.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Habari gani? Okay. You say habari. Let's go.
Wait, run it back, run it back.
Okay. You say habari gani. I wanna say nzuri sana.
Alright.
Okay.
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana. Okay, let's go. You did it. Habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Habari gani?
Asuni sana.
Wow. Habari gani?
Sulisana.
Now I want to teach you how to say what is your name in Swahili. What is your name? We say jina lako nani?
Jina lako nani?
I can say jina langu Junior.
Jina lako Fabian.
Jingalang.
Yeah.
Jinalang.
Yeah. Jina langu Junior.
Jina lako Matthew.
Yeah.
Jina langu Emily. Jina langu Katie.
Thank you, you did it. And where are you from? We say umetokea wapi.
Umetokea wapi. Umetokea wapi.
Umetokea wapi?
Yeah, you can respond nimetokea is means I'm from. I can say nimetokea Tanzania.
Tumekosea, the Bronx.
I can say nimetokea Tanzania. Yes.
Nimetokea New York.
Nimetokea America.
Tokea Detroit. Nimetokea Michigan.
Nimetokea Guatemala.
Let me teach you how to say is my first time to be in Miami.
Yes.
Say mara yangu ya kwanza
Mali yangu ya kwanza
kufika Miami.
kufika Miami.
Mara yangu ya kwanza kufika Miami.
Yangu ya kwanza
Kufika Miami.
kufika Miami.
What means in English?
This is my first time in Miami.
Yeah, I did it.
Kiswahili ni Kibantu na Waswahili hudhani Kiswahili ni rahisi. Je, hivi ni kweli? Na Wazungu itakuwa ni rahisi kwa upande wao?
Mponda tope kaponda tope. Mpunda pote kapunda pote.
Vipaji TV inakuletea Swahili Challenge kwa mataifa yote duniani. Tangaza Kiswahili.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni makaribishwa Tanzania yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo jambo we are the Swahili nations, wana wa Afrika.
This is challenge and this is new language. Just try. Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu a Musa.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Firauni.
Utayaona Firauni.
Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu manusha.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Atawaona Firauni.
Yeah. Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu meokusta.
Ukisahaba ya Musa.
Ukistajabu auna.
Astakechababu manusha.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Utayaona Firauni.
Ukistajabu mayusta.
Utayaona Firauni.
Auna.
Yeah. Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu manusha.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Atayaona Firauni.
Utayaona ya Firauni.
Otayana mefauni.
Utayaona Firauni.
Utayaona ya Firauni. Watu auna.
Yeah.
Watu auni.
Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu manusha.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Atayaona Firauni.
Utayaona.
Utayona.
Utayaona Firauni.
Injutayasu auna. Injutayawi auni.
Yeah, just say boss. Ukistajabu ya Musa, utayaona ya Firauni.
Tayana ofela omi.
Ukistajabu hayausa.
You did it, bro.
I
You did
smoke
it.
a lot of weed. That's what
I
it is.
know, but you tried so, bro, because
Yeah.
it's new language for you.
Alright,
Okay.
let's go.
You to speak
This is new language, so just try. My English is not good, but
Try me one more time.
I
Try
try
me
to
one
speak
more
English because I have confidence.
No, you're Try doing me one more time. great. You are.
Okay.
I didn't-
Ukistajabu ya Musa,
Ukistajabu ya Musa.
utayaona ya Firauni.
Utayano efaumi.
Ukistajabu ajusa.
Yeah. Utayaona ya Firauni.
Utayaona ya Firauni.
Ukistajabu mayosha.
Otayama fela yumi.
Ukistajabu jamusa.
Ukistajabu mayosha.
Yeah.
Fiona.
Firauni.
Firauni.
Yeah, you did.
Tayona ila fila moni.
Utilayoni.
Firauni.
Okay. Efiancho, Fiona. Eseocho, Fionchi.
Just listen to him and repeat exactly what he says.
I try, but
Just
it's like,
listen.
when it
Don't.
gets
If you
long,
can't
when
do
it
it,
gets
just
long,
mouth
I
your
forget.
lips. Okay.
Asofitakasu Mausa.
Ukistajabu.
Uski chamamu.
Ukistajabu ya Musa.
Utayaona Firauni.
Ukistajabu ya Musa.
Uski fajama Musa.
Utayaona ya Firauni.
Atayaona Efioni.
Ukistajabu ya Musa.
Ukistajabu ila Musa.
Okay, so fajamu afayosha.
Utayaona ya Firauni.
Atayaona Efiona. Atahachu Mufuna. Fiona. Let's go.
This is how you say nipe tano.
Nipitano.
Yeah. So
What's that? What's that mean?
fist pump.
Oh, that's fist bump.
Nipo-
Nipitano.
Yes.
Make your dream vacation and visit Tanzania.
It's a beautiful country.
Shout out to East Africa. New York, we in Miami right now with the family.
Jambo.
Jambawana.
Jambogwana.
Marigani.
Zuri sana.
Wageni wakaribisha
Tanzania eshu.
Tanzania yetu.
Hakuna Matata.
Hamuka tatata.
Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.
SNS and the Vipaji TV.
Paja TV.
Nice to meet you. Say nafurahi. Nafurahi kukutana na wewe. Kukutana na yeye. Na wewe. Na wewe. Heri.
Asante Kawareri.
Vipaji TV, American Swahili Challenge. Hakuna matata.